Today we're going to see about what is spear phishing. An attempt to fraudulently obtain information from a user, usually by email, that targets a specific individual. Spear phishing is a highly targeted form of phishing designed to deceive individuals or organizations into revealing sensitive information. Unlike regular phishing, a broad and untargeted approach, spear phishing is highly the spear phisher begins by gathering detailed information about the intended target. Often using social engineering techniques, this can include information gleaned from public sources like social media, corporate websites, or industry publications. The information can include topics surrounding the recipient's expertise, role in the organization, interest, public, and residential tax information. The attacker then uses this information to craft a convincing and seemingly legitimate communication, often an email that appears to come from a trusted source like a well-known business partner, a colleague, or a social significant contact. These specific details make the email appear more legitimate and increase the chance of the recipient clicking links or downloading attachments. How the spear phishing cyber attacks will happen. So few of them I am listing out that can be happen on the spear phishing. The first one is target selection. The attacker identifies and chooses an individual or organization as the target of the spear phishing attack. Motivates like potential financial gain or access to sensitive information influence the choice of target. The second one is recognition. The attacker reaches the target to gather as much information as possible. This might include job roles, work relationships, personal interest, or other details that make the attack more convincing. The third one is email grafting. Using the collected information, the attacker creates a personalized email or other type of message that appears to come from a trusted source. This could be a co-worker, manager, or other authority figure known to the target. The message usually contains a compelling reason for the target to take immediate action. The fourth one is calling to action. The main goal of the spear phishing email is to trick the target into performing a specific action. This could involve clicking on a malicious link or downloading a malicious attachment, both of which can lead to install malware. Ask the recipient to provide sensitive information like login credentials, financial dealers, or other personal data. Exploiting if the target falls for the trick and takes the attacker then use the access or information for malicious purposes. This might include stealing sensitive data, conducting financial fraud, launching further attacks within the organization, or even espionage. The last one is covering tracks. After the attack, cyber criminals often try to delete any traces of the attack, such as emails or logs, to avoid detection or prolong their unauthorized access. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.